Good morning, everybody. Today we're changing the exhaust on the M340. I think it's gonna sound sweet. I think the pops are gonna get louder and it's gonna be pretty epic. So thank you guys for watching. Let's jump into it. All right, we just pulled up to this place. It took almost 2 hours to get up here. Like, should not have taken that long. Gotta love traffic, but we're gonna go in there. We're gonna get everything dialed up and then, yeah, I mean, come back and we'll see what she sounds like. So we'll see. That is ridiculously loud. Oh my goodness. Little startup roar from the gas station. Take a second and listen to that. That's crazy. That's crazy. And you know, the inside of these M340s are so insulated, you know, to the point where like it can almost get pretty quiet in here. But with this, I mean, it's so loud in here. It's way louder than my built STI was. Hopefully the camera is doing it justice, you know, with picking up the sound and the burbles and whatnot. Yeah, so if you guys can see under there, obviously no muffler. We did not keep the valve. I opted, you know, to not do that based on the recommendation of the guy who did it, and there's no check engine light, no issues, nothing like that. But yeah, if you do this mod, just know that if you have a downpipe, man, that thing's loud. Like, you are in for it. But yeah, this thing's wicked. This thing's wicked. Thanks.